kadu kave Karbi 2.0 YouTube channel long kelangara do ana fans tamhe la pen pini la so video long nali tumpan nang kethan ponji la bang kela son lo kedam ta hot Karbi Anglong pen kapik lang pon mate handlooms la pen textiles department pen Voreng Avarsai kapik lang pon Peon la pen night Chowkider la son thak section assistants la so Voreng Avarsai kapik lang pon do la pen non puthot so department hin pen Viva fandak notice ki pi pondo la se pini nali tuma fan so video long na than pe chini pon ikku nali tum la so YouTube channel la long jong sina hombi milang pule chingon pen subscribe ngol la pen video nali tum share pon igon taben non pathek pen Peon la pen Chowkider la Viva APUTHAK le che than pon nang la pen tang non pathek pen lang pon nang la pen che than pon na Office of the Joint Director Handloom Textiles Hills Assam Dipu Karbi Anglong pen kedam tang hot Voreng Avarsai kapiklang pondo la pen holaso Voreng Avarsai kapiklang pen sectional assistance upon la bangki written examinations tame kedam tang hot pado pondo la pen holaso written examination nong ke pass roll numbers tame la bangso notice long ki pi pondo la pen jugali Chowkider atuma fans tame ladak admit card APUTHAK tami kipi pondo la so APUTHAK si non angton penalam chithan pono na nalitum theklongji the selection committee of Handloom Textiles Department Karbi Anglong place as declared the eligible candidates result of the written test exam for the post of sectional assistants as so below. Let's say hala so la sectional assistance upon exam bang pado pono written examination se la so written examination pado that pen put on the results tami pipon at no la pen result along ki undun roll number la bang kela son no roll number 4 la pen roll number 17 roll number 30 roll number 42 roll number 43 la pen roll number 61 roll number 63 roll number 66 la pen roll number 71 roll number 74 roll number 77 roll number 19 director 90 la pen roll number 97 roll number 105 roll number 106 roll number 140 roll number 147 roll number 152 la pen roll number 164 atum si sectional assistance along written examination ki undun labang nanitum da roll number bang thek pon long ekpo la pen puthot ki tok pon do thulang future the eligible candidates for the post of sectional assistants and the applicant who have applied for the post of Jugali and night Chowkider are requested to appear for Viva-voce test on the following date and venue fixed by selection committee of Handloom and Textiles Department Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Dipu. They are also requested to bring their original certificate of educational qualification and other transmittal documents along with them, and also request to bring the admit card issued from the Department of Handloom and Textiles at the time of written test for the post of selection sectional assistants. La siladak la sectional assistance along ki undun dag roll number ki pi dun an mate ki klang dun an abang pu abang phiatum nalitum non la Viva fan dag adets tami pathik ponik elo sectional assistance that kalilo jugali la pen Chowkider la pen night Chowkider atum sitamelo alang litum bangai written exam la bangke tok nang ni pusida ki pu la se la Viva afan stame adet la pen adim stame pathik ponik elo la pen nalitum la Viva kipidamji so exam kipidamji ho nalitum documents original documents an pontain nangpo mate chepon lap nangpo kadu kave la kachar liang deng an ma ala so documents lo ponangpo la pen kidam nangji nalitum department office of the joint director Handloom Textiles Hills Dipu la so dims dam nangpo la pen do thulang la dake tokpon admit card for Jugali and night Chowkider will be issued from 27 atumi pen sidak issue pon eglo admit card labangke nalitum office support ho dam pen hodak nalitum admit card labangke and amigon nalitum photo pakni nengji pusidak pu to stamp size passport devering collection of admit card ke namahut nalitum la photo bang pab hodak admit card along pabon nengji las nalitum photo bang cheponang po dabangke jugali la pen night chukidar apu sapan lo nasi admit card la bangke atumi pensi pipon bom lo nalitum pinile dam stame long dam lang admit card la pen Viva kapado ponji la bangke adet ladak fix pon eglo la pen pipon egelo adet la bangke sectional assistance sapan la bangke 8 April 10 am ahot si en pon ikpo Viva pado pon ikpo la son thak jugalita isivet lo 8 April lo la pen chukidar ta 8 April 10 am lo juga dag sectional assistance jugali chukidar atum panstame ala sorni masi Viva bang pado pon ikpo la pen adim la bangke nalitum theglongji Office of the Joint Director Handlooms and Textiles Hills Difu la sodim sin halitum dampen Viva exam bange pidam nang po jola lola si komama si la Voreng Avarsai long ka apply dun manalitum comment box along pachini ignon la pen video nalitum share go Karbi Anglong ras tame pala ignang la pen pachini ignang la pen la son update mate la son a video nalitum kilang long versi apan la so YouTube channel la bangke nalitum subscribe igon tangte dumi thagmi kadu kabe Karbi 2.0 YouTube channel long kilang ara to anafans tame nilihin pen kardom